everyone, I'm Zoe. Many clients ask us, what's the relationship between OUNUO, OYANG, and OWELL? Today, we provide the clearest answer. 3 names, 1 group. 3 major brands, 1 shared commitment. OUNUO originates from the founder's surname, OYANG, and is a homophone for young, symbolizing young and the future. The NO components signifies promise. Thus, OUNUO is OYANG's promise, the promise of OYANG. Based on our global strategic layout, we utilize those 3 brands to work in concert. OUNUO represents our core of Chinese manufacturing and R&D. OYANG targets the international market, spreading our global brand influence. OWELL is responsible for export fulfillment and serving our global customers. Although the name differ, we consistently share the same factory, the same technology, the same standards, the same service, the same commitment. No matter which country you are in, which channel you see, or which name you are encounter, please remember we are all OUNUO Group. One promise, global trust.